First of all, good morning, all of you. To the front of you again, I have called a new student for this stage for discussing something about of importance of time, importance of discipline. This sort of the thing I have to discuss with this boy, and whatever sentences I shall have to ask with this boy about the point of importance of times and about importance of discipline. I think he will answer to me anyhow, and whatever things I will speak the front of you about that, you listen very carefully. After that you answer to me. You will not have to listen like of somehow. You will not have to muddle also anywhere while answering of my question. Whatever question I will have to you about that question, you will have to listen very heedfully, and you will have to answer to me very successively, very expensively, very definitely. You will not have to keep up any little bit hustle. You will not have to keep up any little points about of any haggling point. Understanding? You will have to speak bluntly and blatantly. You will not have to speak like of somehow. Okay? Then this method you keep inserting inside of the minds. And now I am going to ask of you any question. You will have to answer that question answer very well. First I am going to ask to you, what is your name?
Sir, my name is Balakumar.
Okay, first you stand on this place coming, and whatever sentence you will speak, that you answer to me with louder. Understanding?
Yes.
Okay. In which class do you read?
Sir, I read in 9th class.
You are reading in 9th or 9th class.
9th class.
Then you say like this, clearly you speak. I read in 9th class. Okay. What is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is engineer.
Your hobby is an engineer. But you take care. One thing I am wanting to discuss to you. Our hobby is an engineer. It is your like a for am, understanding or not? Hobby is called like which we are keeping for present doing. Understanding or not? You have not of any present buff. You have not of any present pursuit.
Yes, sir.
Which kinds of the present pursuit do you keep?
Sir, reading and playing.
Okay, you are keeping a present pursuit for reading and
Playing.
playing. Which kinds of the game do you most like for playing?
Sir, cricket.
Cricket, you most like.
Yes.
Okay, how many players are there in a cricket in one way?
Sir, 11.
11s. And totals in both group?
22.
22. Well, okay, you most like to play of cricket.
Yes, sir.
And in reading, which subject do you most like to read?
Sir, English, science.
Okay, you most like to read of English or science, but you speak loudly.
Yes.
Okay, and in which school do you read recently?
Sir, I read in high school.
Okay, have you any favorite teachers in your life?
Yes, sir.
You have favorite teacher?
Yes, sir.
Great. And how many family members do you have in your family?
6.
You are
6.
6
Yes.
family members. Okay. And what is your father? What is your father means? What does your father do?
Sir, my father is a driver.
Okay, our father profession is driving.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, which kinds of the vehicles does your father drive?
Sir, auto rickshaw.
Okay, where?
Sir, in Delhi.
In Delhi. Okay. In the previous time also I think you were living Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Great. In which schools were you reading that place?
Sir, I read in that place in Rajkot Pratibha Vikas Vidyalaya.
Great. Okay. Then so I'm just going on the topics. Which topic about I have to discuss to you? Do you know about of grammar?
Yes, sir.
Actually, in grammar there are so many functions. Understanding or not? There are so many parts. But any of them I'm going to discuss to you. I'm going to ask to you, and you have to answer to me. Do you know tense?
Yes, sir.
How many kinds of the tense are there?
Sir, there are 3 kinds of tense.
Okay. Can you tell me each name?
Yes, sir.
Let's say
Sir, present tense, past tense, future tense.
present tense, past tense, and future tense. Do you know kinds of present tense?
Yes, sir.
How many kinds of present tense are there?
Sir, there are 4 kinds of present.
Can you tell me name?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Let's say- But you have mistaken simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Like this you should say. Understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you any sentence from the part of tense. You will have to tell me. Okay. वह मुंबई जा चुकेगा. वह मुंबई जा चुकेगा. First you listen carefully of the sentence. After that you will have to answer to me. You don't have to answer like a negatively, figuratively. Okay. You will have to answer to me exactly correctness. Definitely you will have to tell very well. Okay. मैं मुंबई जा चुकूंगा. Yeah. At first you tell me in which part of the tense is this sentence coming?
Future perfect tense.
Great. Future perfect tense. Okay. What is the structure of future perfect tense?
Sir plus shall be plus have plus V3 plus subject.
Okay. Subject plus shall be plus have plus V3 plus
Object.
object. Then you translate into English of that sentence.
Sir, I shall go to.
I shall have.
To
I shall have gone to
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Like this you should say.
Yes.
Okay. Again, next sentence you take care. You have not need to be perplexed. Understand it? You have not need to what? Hustle. Understand it?
Yes, sir.
You answer to me peacefully, coming in peace mind. Okay?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस वह स्कूल जा चुका था
स्कूल जा चुका था
या
सर
वह स्कूल जा चुका था At first you identify the sentence in which part of the tense is it coming.
सर पास्ट परफेक्ट
Okay, great. What is the structure of past perfect? Just to guess that.
had plus V2 plus subject.
Okay, subject had V3 plus
Object.
object. But in guessing, rather in conjecturing, you will not have to delay any moment. Understanding or not? I have asked of you which kinds of the sentence have I asked with this word now?
वह घर जा चुका
What?
घर जा चुका था
वह घर जा चुका था. Then what will you tell about of this sentence?
सर he had gone to house.
Great. He had gone to house. Then why do you keep up any suspense inside of the mind? Do not keep up any doubt. Understanding?
Yes.
Next one again you take care. वह स्कूल में पत्र लिख चुकेगी. वह स्कूल में पत्र लिख चुकेगी. First you recognize of this sentence.
सर फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस.
Okay. वह स्कूल में पत्र लिख चुकेगी. Then you translate into English of this sentence.
She will have to write.
She will have. She will
She will
have
have written
a letter where
in school.
in the school. Okay. Because this sentence it is telling to me what resolving. This sentence is telling to me what determination. Understanding or not? Fix it is indicating to me. Okay. Great. Next one again I am asking to you. मुझे जाना है.
I have to go.
मुझे खाना है.
I have to eat.
मुझे पढ़ना है.
I have to read.
Okay. मैं जाने वाला हूँ.
I am to go.
Okay. मैं लिखने वाला हूँ.
I am to write.
Great. मुझे घर मिलेगा.
I shall have a house.
I shall have
House.
house. Great. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा.
I shall have to go.
Great. If I will have to say to more such type of the sentences, then how can I say about that? First you will have to listen carefully. Okay. I will ask of you. Then you first guess about that. After that you answer to me. After conjecturing you should answer. Okay. Next one take care. उसे देखना पड़ेगा.
He will have to see.
Great. वह जाने पर है.
He is about to go.
Great. Okay. यहाँ पे बालू ही बालू है.
Here is nothing but sand.
Great. There is nothing but sand here. Okay. Great. Next one again you take care. मुझे रोना था. मुझे रोना था.
I had
Good. I had to.
be.
I had to be. Okay. Next sentence I am going to ask you from the part of passive voice. Okay. Do you know passive voice?
Yes, sir.
How many kinds of voice it was to tell to me?
Sir, there are two kinds of voice.
There are two kinds of voice. Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Active
Name?
voice and passive voice.
Great. I am asking of your sentence in active. Just you have to transform into passive. Okay. At first you listen carefully of that sentence. After that you answer to me. Work faithfully. Okay. Okay. I had drunk water. I had drunk water.
Water had been drunk by me.
Okay, water had been drunk by me. Great. Okay, I was advising her. I was advising her.
Her was
She now her is working like a object. When her will come on the place of subject. In right hand, this will come on subjective case. Understanding? Then you tell.
she was being such sentence with me.
I was advising her.
She was being
Advised.
Yes, sir. Advised by me.
Okay. She was being advised by me. Great answer. Next one, take care. I have taken a pen.
A pen has been taken by.
A pen has been taken by me. Great answer. Now I am going just on the topics. Which topic I had told of you in the beginning of this video about of that topic. Just I will have to discuss with you. Okay. And whatever things you will answer to me about of that topic, please you speak it loudly as your voice could be captured very well through this camera. Understand it?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. Then do you know about the time?
Yes, sir. I know.
What is time?
The time is money.
Okay, time is money for all of us.
Yes.
Okay. Without time, we can do any kinds of the thing in all of us life.
No, sir.
Then can you tell to me some Ujing point about the time?
Yes.
Let's see.
Sir, it learns us to follow the time because without time we can't do any great work.
Okay. And which kinds of the things is given by times? About that you discuss to me.
Sir, time is given. Sir, all things.
Time gives all things. Even if you can explain about that step by step. Successively, can you tell me about time, times value others, which kinds of the things is given by times about of that you should say how language understanding
Sir, I know.
you don't know you should prepare about of that understanding because I have told to every times to you all students for preparing even if you have not completed well and without thinking and without meditating about of any topics that topics will not come just on the tongue. If you want to talk about of any topic, first you have to meditate. Before speaking, you have to meditate. After that, you try to represent the front of anyone. As much as you will approach after thinking of any kinds of the topic, or mind will be clear, and you will be able to speak about of any kinds of the topic with impressively, understanding with very expansively. Again, I am going to have you next point about of discipline. Do you know discipline?
Yes, sir.
What is discipline and which kinds of the things are learned by that discipline?
Sir, discipline learns us to follow discipline because without discipline we can't be great.
Okay, disciplines learns us so different kinds of the things.
Yes.
If we are living in discipline, we can be great and we can do any kinds of the thing to very well. It learns us the mode of living, the mode of reading, the mode of behaving. It learns so different kinds of the thing in all of us life.
Yes.
The people who don't follow discipline, they are exactly like of somehow.
Yes.
Those life become like of any scattering life. Understanding or not?
Yes.
Okay. Next one again I am going to ask of you. Do you know importance of education? What is education?
Sir, education is
I think one this you have not meditated.
no.
And suddenly I have asked you this kind of the question. That's what you are stuck.
Yes.
But you should not stuck. Okay. Do you know amount of narration?
Yes, sir, I know.
How many kinds of the narration are there?
Sir, there are two kinds of things.
Can you tell me his name?
Yes, sir, direct and indirect.
Indirect. Do you know degree?
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. How many kinds of degree are there?
Sir, there are three kinds of things.
Can you tell me any sentence from the part of degree?
Yes.
Then just I am going to question to you. You will have to answer to me. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. मैं तुमसे अच्छा हूँ.
I am better than you.
Okay. First you tell to me in which part of the degree this sentence has been asked you by me.
Sir, this is the scope means superlative.
Superlative degree. Superlative degree.
Better.
Better. Better.
Good, best, better.
Good, better, best. Like this we come understanding. Good, better.
Best.
Then in which degree this sentence has been asked of
Sir,
you?
competitive.
This degree, this has come in your completed degree. Okay. Next one again I am going to ask to you in part of your narration. Okay. Sachin said to me. Sachin said to me, where are you going?
Sir, Sachin asked me to.
Sachin asked me.
Sachin asked me where I was going.
Okay. Sachin asked me where I was going. Right answer. But some things you have hesitation. That hesitation you make to clear to speaking too much in front of the student, and as much as every day you will try to speak to different kinds of the things inciting in the minds. That will be more and more better understanding.
Yes.
And if you will not keep endeavor for discussing to inciting to different kinds of the topic inside of the minds, those topics will not be spoken with very positive, rather with very comfortably. Okay. So if you're wanting to make with friends and in friends of good speaking, then first of all I would like to tell you, you try to talk to much and much the front of the student whenever you are in the class, whenever you are in the home week. If you have any friends, with that friends you try to discuss different kinds of the things related from the part of English. Then our English will become to very nice. You will not be stuck anywhere, and also you will not be perplexed anywhere. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. It is my last suggestion for you for following in our daily life. And again, I will visit you in my next video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye. Stop that.